What's up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of The Haya Company. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all all of the supplies that I got in preparation for my fall collection launch. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Okay, so in my 2 videos back, I talked about the process that I went through before thinking and even adding new products to my website. And now today I'll just be showing y'all the supplies that I got. So if you haven't watched that last video, I'll put it up in the iCards above. So I'm gonna just start off with the thing that I was most excited about. So when I thought about my fall collection, I knew I wanted new jars instantly. So I was looking around and I settled on these amber jars, and I got the black lids to go with them. And these jars are from candlesandsupply.com. These are advertised, I think, as 8 or 8.5 ounces on the website. I didn't see a fill weight for them. I'm not sure, maybe I didn't look good enough. But when I did the previous video, how I test new jars and wicks, I decided on 6.5 ounces. So this jar will be my 6.5 ounce candle. Okay, so after I decided on those jars, I know I wanted a smaller jar so I could have a cheaper price for a candle. So I don't know what was going through my head. I seen the 4 ounce, I was like, no, that's too close to the 8 or 8.5 ounce jar. And so I said, okay, I'm gonna get the 2 ounce jar. I don't know what I was thinking because our body butters are 4 ounces. And I'm not sure how big I thought these jars were gonna be, but when they came, it was just like a whole surprise. One, I ordered too many jars. I thought they came in cases of 12, but it came in cases of 24, so now I have 48 jars. And I thought I ordered 24, what is it called? 24 lids, but I actually had 2 because the lids were sold in eaches, not packs. So please read before you order. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehayaco.com. So these are what the 2 ounce jars look like. It's the same concept, except these jars for the lids, it's either like a body care product looking lid or a metal lid like this that's silver. And so I can't find the lids, or I would show you. If I find it, I'll just take a picture and insert it, or I could just screenshot it off the website. But those are the lids that I chose, the silver ones, to go with this because I think it looks better for a candle. But y'all, when I got these, I wanted to return them because I was like, this is definitely too small for a candle. And then when I went through the whole process, I realized that it'll cost me way more to even return it. And then by the 4 ounce jars, I was just like, make it enough, just make it work. And so I was racking my brain all night, what can I do with these jars? I asked my mom, do you want to make face cream? Do you want to do something with these jars? She was like, no, she doesn't want to make face cream. So I was thinking hard. I was like, I could just make these as travel size mini jars. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna call them on my website, but I was like, that's what it's just gonna have to be. And so I just stuck with the jars. So for the next product, obviously with new jars, you have to get new size wicks if it's a different size and diameter. So I went through the same process as I did the first time I started making candles. I went on candlescience.com and I measured the middle of this and went with their suggested wick. So the diameter, not the diameter, but the width of the top of this width right here was about, I think it was 2 inches with a little over it. So I just put 2 inches in, and they recommended CD8 wicks. And so that's what I went ahead and got. But I was thinking that might be a bit too bigger, too big for that jar. So I got a CD6 just so I don't have to see that it doesn't work and then wait to go order a smaller wick. And this is how I have so much supplies that I don't even use. I just order just in case because I hate waiting on them to ship it, and for the shipping process, sometimes it takes too long because I'm a last minute person. So, but the CD8 turned out to work perfectly for the 6.5 ounce candles. And so I said, let me try the CD6. And this is all in my last video where I did how I test new jars and wicks. And both of these work perfectly for both size jars. So it all worked out. So now on to like the last type of supplies that I got to add on to my website for the new fall collection is fragrance oils. So if you watch my Confessions of a Candle Maker, you know I don't like fall scents. Like most fall scents, I don't like them. And so it was very hard for me to look at these fragrance oils and try to find something that won't make me sick while making the candles. So after going through the Flaming Candles website, I found the scents that I'll be using for fall. So I'm a 4-scent type of girl. So anything I do, I just add 4 scents. So when I launched, I had 4 scents and I've kept those 4 scents. And now I'm about to add 4 more scents for fall. And I'm this type of person, like I like to mix my fragrances. So I'll just show y'all the fragrance oils that I got, and I can tell you like how I like the scent. So the first one, very fall appropriate, is Pumpkin Souffle. So this one is this one to me is like a subtle pumpkin, like pumpkin pie. So it's not too like loud. It's like a soft pumpkin scent that I could definitely tolerate. So I really like these. And I also got all 8 ounce scents because it's fall and I don't like fall scents. I got it just so I could smell it, and if I do like it, I could make a few candles with these ones and then order the bigger sizes afterwards. The second one I got was Oatmeal Cookie. This one to me smells like an oatmeal cookie dough, like at first, and then afterwards you get like the baked side of the oatmeal cookie, if that makes sense. And it's also another soft scent, like it's not in your face. The third scent I got, this one is actually from Candles and Supplies, not the Flaming Candle. This one is Cranberry, and in this one I got I think this is like a 4 ounce, and I got this because I don't want to make like a full candle with this. I want to mix this in. So this one, y'all, I love it. Like it's just a fresh fruity scent because it's like fruit, and I love fruity scent. So this one I already know is gonna be a hit, but it's just to be mixed in. So this is what I'm gonna use. The fourth one I got was Cinnamon Spice Vanilla, and I think we can see like a pattern here, like warm type bake stuff. This one, this smells like Noel. This one smells like Noel, like Bath and Body Works Noel. This is exactly what this smells like to me. Like the cinnamon part, it's not really coming through for me. Like, yeah, I can't really smell. It's not really giving me cinnamony, but it's also another soft scent. The fifth scent I got is Cocoa Butter Cashmere. This one is not what I expected it to be at all, and that is not in a bad way. It's just, it says Cocoa Butter Cashmere, so I expected it to be like warm, but it smells like men's cologne in a way, but a nice one, not too heavy. Like, I don't know how to explain this. I don't know. I really don't know how to explain this. It smells good though. It really does. It's not too strong, but it's not like a soft scent either. And then the last scent I got was Flannel. So this, I think, will be like a flannel type for Bath and Body Works. This is the fragrance oil, and this one smells like Cocoa Butter Cashmere with like men's body wash. So I hope that helps. This is what flannel smells like to me though. These both give me like men type scents. Okay, y'all, so that's all of my extra supplies I got for my fall collection that I'll be launching. Of course, I didn't need to get wax or anything because I'm gonna use the same wax. It's just different scents, different jars, different wicks, and I'm excited to launch our fall collection. I'm not sure when I'll be launching it just yet. I'm aiming for like the beginning of September, so keep on the lookout for that. Don't forget to subscribe to our website, and I'll definitely be letting y'all know through email when we do launch those fall scents and the mini candles. Like, I know I made a mistake with ordering them, but that is like what I'm also most excited about is the little mini candles, because I've been testing them, y'all, and I love it. Like, I keep talking about it. If you know me in real life, you just know I won't shut up about the small mini candles. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one.